Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello, super sunny day, what is up? So obviously I thrift shop a lot, and with thrift shopping I accumulate a lot of stuff. When I purchase the stuff, I love it, it's cute, it's awesome, I want to wear it every day, but in reality, I don't wear everything that I thrift. And so over time, especially the past couple months, I have definitely accumulated quite a lot of thrift items that honestly, I love them, but I'm just not giving them enough love. I am in need of a massive summer back to school closet clean out. And also this video is sponsored by Poshmark, which I have used Poshmark many times in the past. I actually made a whole thrift haul just from things I bought from Poshmark, and it's really awesome for people that may not have a thrift store near you, or you want to sell some clothes because you need some cash. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's basically like thrift shopping but in an app. They reached out to me to kind of partner on a video, and I figured this needed to happen and I need to sell some clothes because I just have too much. If you don't already have the Poshmark app, definitely download it in the link right down below. And my closet is just Alexis Sunshine 83, so it's just all the same. But anyway, we're gonna get into my clothes. I'm going to try and make this a little bit more of a talking video because my previous kind of closet declutters, I didn't really talk that much. I have a lot, like this is going to be massive. So I technically already kind of started. What's crazy is like I still have more stuff, so I'm gonna go grab some stuff. Brace yourself. So I have a lot of stuff here that like I love, but again, like I just never wear it. Even like these shoes, they are so cute, but I just never wear them, you know? Have some Free People, the flare jeans, which I love, but I just and a lot of like really great stuff. And I think it's always good to kind of like do a little refresh to kind of purge a little bit, and in this case not just like throw away stuff. I even have my American Apparel shorts, which are so cute, and I actually sold my other pair on my Poshmark, but I just don't like grab them as much anymore. I have so many thrifted shorts that I prefer over these ones. So this is the start. We're now gonna go into the actual like demon of my closet. You guys always comment like, how do you get into your closet? Look at how much room I have. Okay, sorry, I just had a bunch of coffee, so I am ready to go. I already kind of like selected some stuff that I knew I definitely wanted to sell. So I'm gonna start with that stuff first. Okay. And again, it's stuff that like this. I love this. It's so cute. With the clothes piling up, it makes me super stressed. And especially, I don't like to hang up my clothes or fold them. So if I don't have room to do that as well because they don't fit anywhere, that's another incentive for me to just throw them on the ground. And I'm really just like looking at the clothes and trying to like feel something. But if I look at it and it doesn't make me happy, I'm not, you know, when was the last time I wore it, that type of thing, then I'm kind of like, and there's a lot of clothes in here also that like I haven't worn in a while, but I do love. And a lot of times I won't wear certain clothes just because I've worn them so often in videos and like Instagram that you won't really see them, but I'll wear them like in my outside life. Oh, it makes me like so sad. Like with each item I have like a memory of like thrifting it. So I usually like to keep my like main clothes right here, and then I have all my jackets and my sweatshirts on the other side. My closet's kind of broken too, so. I think when you really like just undo the clothes that you never wear, you realize how much just random stuff you have. I have not organized it. I think I've made it worse. I feel like this is like Mount Rushmore of just clothes. With this one though, I feel like my style has definitely really changed with regards to being open to colors. So it was a little bit hard because I love so many of these items. Like this dress, you remember this dress. It is just so cute. But oh gosh, when I don't get invited to things, the most outing I do is going to Starbucks and Target. Oh, in the thrift store. Like, am I gonna wear this at the thrift store? No. I don't really know how I'm going to organize this right now. Obviously, I have to organize it in a way so I can take photos for my Poshmark. So that's something I am going to figure out. Got your girl gang tee. That was a good one. I think I'm just going to fold all the clothes that I know I'm definitely putting on Poshmark. And I'm going to put it in a pile. Oh, this was such a jam. You know, I forgot. I originally got this to take to Hawaii and I totally forgot to bring it. Like, I'm also hoping that I don't really like wait to actually put stuff on my Poshmark just because I want to do it more regularly, because a lot of you don't have thrift stores or like your thrift stores suck, which I totally understand. I've been to some bad ones. I don't know, like fashion wise, what my fashion's gonna be for this fall. I feel like it's gonna be a little vintage and I'm like not mad about it. I definitely want to stick to the monochrome theme, but I may, just like I did with getting that brown jacket, I think I want to start adding some warm tones. Some of these I've actually like kind of forgotten about. Did I like this? I don't know. Oh, this is my favorite color. I love this, but it's a little bit like too cropped. Wow. Also, after I take the photos, it usually like, I mean, it's gonna take a little bit to get rid of a lot of this stuff, but I think I'm gonna attempt to organize them so they don't get dirty in the meantime until they are purchased. Look at all these hangers that I just freed up. I was about to go buy more hangers. What? Oh, little random fact, I actually can't really say hangers. I say hangers because I can't say like the G's in the middle of the word. Just something random if you just noticed it. Oh, I don't think I mentioned this, but now since I have the excess hangers, I have a lot of clothes that have just been chilling in my living room area because I haven't had room to actually put them away. I'm gonna show you guys and you are gonna be appalled if you unsubscribe to me because I am such a mess. I understand. This is what my spare room looks like. And so I'm just going through my clothes that I took from my other room, which, let me just say, that other room looks so good now, okay? I'm just going to organize them. I don't organize like my closet by colors or anything like that anymore, just because I find that I don't want to do. I have all these left now, so I can start thrift shopping again because obviously now I have room. After a full hour of taking photos of the clothes, I finally have them up on my Poshmark. And a big thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. If you guys download the app and you upload certain items, please leave your closet names right down below in the comments. I would love to check out some of your stuff, and I'm sure if you guys are following me, you probably have great style. Or horrible, it depends. I really had fun just really chilling with you guys, talking it out. There were actually a couple items, the Mickey Mouse Starbucks sweatshirt that I was totally ready to sell that I tried on when I was taking photos, and I was like, I love it too much to sell. Sorry, I will be keeping that for myself. If you guys do like thrifting videos, make sure that you hit subscribe right down below and hit that bell to be notified every time I make a new video, and keep up to date with me by following me on Instagram and Twitter at AlexSunshine83. Again, my Poshmark is AlexisSunshine83. I will be linking my closet right down below so you guys can check out all the stuff that I am selling, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!